Hi everyone, Jan Furston here from Furston House. Just wanted to pop in and say hello and give you a sneak peek of what I'm about to work on, or I've been working on this morning, and I screwed it up. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to share with you how I fix a screw up, because I make a lot of them. So I was working on these pages of ephemera for my next journal, and I thought, I should never think that much, but I did. I thought that I had cardstock loaded in my printer, and I didn't. And these, of course, are things that need to be, heavier, not just regular paperweight. So I thought, oh, now I'm going to have to glue them because I don't want to waste ink, because ink is expensive, as you all know. And I thought, oh, I'm going to have to, glue them. And then I thought, no, I don't. I can sew them. So I thought, literally, that's what I did. I took a page of tea-stained cardstock. You can see the lines from the sewing. And that's literally what I did. I just went along the edges and stitched them down. Now all I have to do is cut them out. And then I'll ink the edges and voila. So anyway, now you know how to fix those problems when you print something out on paper that you meant to do on cardstock. And in addition to gluing it down, which you can do, of course, depending on what it is, but I love the look of sewing, the stitching and stuff on paper and things. So I thought, well, I'll just do this. I think it turned out really well. Anyway, that's it. I'm about to go out of town again, but I will be working on it on this journal in a couple of weeks. So I hope you're all having a blessed day, and our prayers are with all of those people, our friends and family in Florida, and well, everyone in Florida. I just pray that you're all going to be okay. And now it's lashing the coast of South Carolina and Charleston. My daughter has already got flooding in next to their house, but they're being careful. So life's little adventures. We just do our best and go forward and pray a lot. You all take care. Have a blessed fall day. It's beautiful outside here in Madison, Alabama. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.